Hello everyone, back again with me Ulfatika Mandasari. Today I will guiding you on how to master the structure section of the TOEFL test, focusing on skill 6 using coordinate connectors correctly. This skill is essential because TOEFL often tests your ability to join two clauses properly in English sentence. So, what exactly are coordinate connectors? Coordinate connectors are words like and, but, or, so, yet that are used to join two independent clauses. Each clause must have its own subjects and verb. For example, Tom is singing and Paul is dancing. The other example, she laughed but she wants to cry. Notice how there's a comma before the connector and each part can stand alone as a complete sentence. Okay, let's try a practice question. The question: the weather was freezing. Blah blah blah. We decide to cancel the picnic. A. I'll talk. B. So. C. Because. Or D. When. Which one is the correct connector? We have two independent clauses here. The weather was freezing and we decide to cancel the picnic. We need coordinate connectors that show result. So the best choice is so. The weather was freezing, so we decide to cancel the picnic. And the answer is B, so. The other are incorrect because although and because are subordinator, not coordinate connectors. When is also a subordinating conjunction for time, not for connecting to equal clause. To master this skill, first, always check if there are two subject and two verb. Second, make sure you use and, but, or, so, yet with a comma before them. Third, avoid confusing them with subordinators like because, although, since, or when. I hope this help you tackle TOEFL structure question with more confidence. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.